topic: mounting of high pressure boiler. Mountings of high pressure boiler. Every boiler has mountings. Every boiler has a mounting, and without mounting, boiler cannot be run because mountings are required for the proper functioning of the boiler. So mounting is the essential part of any boiler. Mounting is the essential part of any boiler. Mounting of high pressure boiler. There are different fittings and devices which are necessary for the operation and safety of the boiler. The various mountings used on the boiler are as follows. First is water level indicator, and we have already discussed the function of water level indicator. The function of water level indicator is to indicate the level of water in the boiler so that operator can check the level of water with the help of water level indicator, and he can take the decision where to supply water or not in the boiler. This is the water level indicator. This is the boiler chest, the boiler wall. We can say boiler chest. This is the water level in the boiler, and this is the steam space. This is the steam space. Now, water level indicator consists of two pipes. This is a steam pipe which is connected in to the steam space, and this is a water pipe which is connected to the water space. Now, steam pipe has one cock which is called as a steam cock. Also, water pipe has a cock which is called as a water cock. This metal tube is available here for supporting as well as it supports the metallic ball, spherical ball. One end of the pipe is connected to the water level indicator in the steam space, and another end, that is water pipe, is connected to the water end. This is a glass tube. It consists of a two glass tube. Inner glass tube carries the water, and outer glass tube has the readings for the operator to check the reading, and it has the marking for the safe working of the boiler. And if the water level goes below that marking, then operator need to supply water in the boiler. Operator need to supply water in the boiler. During working condition of the boiler, when the boiler is in working condition, steam cock and water cock is on. Steam cock and water cock is on, and one more cock is given there for draining the water, is a drain cock. Drain cock is operated when operator need to empty the water level indicator, or he need to clean the water level indicator, or water level indicator has been broken. During the working condition of the boiler, drain cock is closed and steam cock and water cock in a on condition. Steam from steam space enters in the water level indicator, and water from water space enters in the water level indicator. Here you can see the level of water. In this way, operator can check the water level in the water level indicator. If operator want to clean it, then he will close the steam cock and water cock. The entry of steam and water will stop in the water level indicator, and he can take water level indicator for a cleaning purpose. If the water level indicator breaks, means this glass tube breaks, in that case the steam push this ball, steam and water push this ball, and this ball stands here. This ball stands at the end of the water tube and the steam tube, and it restrict the entry or restrict the leakage of steam and water from the boiler. Restrict the leakage of steam and water from the boiler. In this way, wastage of water and steam is avoided in case of water tube water level indicator. So here you can see water level indicator again. This is a steam space and this is the water space. These are the steam tube. This is water tube. This is a drain cock. These two balls are provided over here. Working of water level indicator. The water level indicator shows the level of water in the boiler drum. It warns the operator if the water level goes below the fixed mark so that corrective action may be taken in time to avoid any accident. Water level indicator indicates the water level of the boiler. If the water level goes below the marking, it warns the operator that he has to supply water to the boiler. For the observation of the water level in the boiler, the water and the steam cock are open and drain cock is closed. When boiler is in a working condition, the water cock and steam cock is on and drain cock is closed. The steam enters from the upper metal tube, that is M1, and water enters from the tube M2, that is from water tube. Hence, water stands in the glass tube at the same level as that of boiler. Means water level indicator shows the same level of the water which is available in the boiler itself. The junction of metal tube and the glass tubes are provided with the two balls. The junction of metal tube and glass tube. This is a metal tube and this is glass tube. It's metal tube and glass tube is provided with the balls, two balls. In case of glass tube is broken, the balls is pushed to the top and bottom ends of the glass tube to prevent the movement of steam and water. Thus, the flow of both water and steam out of the boiler is prevented. When the boiler is not working, the water level indicator can be taken out from the boiler for cleaning purposes by removing the bolts.